So I'm a virgin to this brand, but I am really hoping for freebies. Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. So now let's open this. I think I am gonna need to cut. Ooh, that's beautiful. It's really beautiful. It opened up like a flower. I was not expecting that. Now let's see. It's a beautiful box. This is my first ever Chanel unboxing or even buying a Chanel. I do have a eyeshadow. So I'm really excited what this box will contain. It's a beautiful box. Oh! I was expecting a camellia, but I guess the camellias are only for the luxury goods, like the bags maybe, or the accessories. But this is not a bag, this is not an accessory, it's something else. It's something I've been sort of really into this year. I'm crazy about this stuff as of lately. Now let's begin with the freebies. I can see I've got some freebies, and I think you can tell by the freebies what I bought. This one is Sycamore Chanel. It's the eau de parfum. Yeah, it's the eau de parfum. And I've heard that eau de parfum is not as good as the eau de toilette, but nevertheless, it's a freebie and I really need to try this one. I've heard so much about the Sycamore. It's one of those exclusives. What's this? Rouge Cocoa Bloom. It's... Ooh. What's this? Oh my god, is this the lip balm? I have never seen them packaged like this. I thought it was gonna be a miniature lipstick, but this is so nice. This is so cool because now I can try like all their shades. It's quite cool. I hope they smell something because I've heard their cosmetics do smell, at least the blushes. Fun. And I've got this little sample. It's the Sublimage La Crème Lumière Ultimate Regeneration and Brightening Cream. 5 milliliter. That'll do me good when I sort of do my makeup, remove my makeup, and need to rejuvenate my skin. So I'm gonna... Sublimage. Alright, that's cool. That was the freebies. And now let's go for the real thing, the real purchase. Now let's put away these freebies and I'm gonna put them in my little jar. There's a lot of paper in here, you guys, and it looks like there may be more freebies, but there's not. Here's what I got. The Pour Monsieur Chanel Eau de Toilette, the classic 1955 Eau de Toilette. I've heard so many great things about this one, and I'm really curious, and I really want to start, learning more about parfums. It's a 100 milliliter bottle. Do I dare open it? Do I dare? Because once I open it, I've got to use it. I cannot return it. Let's do it. Oh, done and done. I'm wearing a perfume right now, so I don't think it's a good idea for me to spray this all over my body. There it is. There it is. Oh, I can smell it from the outside already, and it's good. Oh man, this is what I needed right now. This is what I need right now. Now let's look at the bottle. It's so classic, it's so beautiful, it's so clean. And I love that greenish tint of the juice. Now let's put this box away. Now let's look at this bottle. Made in France. 100 milliliter, 3.4 ounces. I gotta say, the lid feels quite cheap. I don't think it is though, but I was not expecting that. Now let's see the bottle and God, it smells so good. It smells so good, right up my alley. It's sort of barber shop classic scent. I don't know if I should put it on, because I do have tons of perfume everywhere. I've been playing around with perfumes last night. I even put some perfume on before I went to bed, actually, so I don't have... let's go for it. Let's just test spray it on my hand. There. It's a good sprayer. It sort of puts out a really huge cloud. Ooh, it's so good. Ooh, that's so good. That's so nice. That's incredible, really. Oh man. This is really love at first sniff, even though it's not really first. I did try this on in store some time ago and I wasn't so sure about it. But now I just had to have it because I really need something, a good quality perfume that you can use kinda every day, because it's not a bomb. This one is not a bomb. It's almost casual, you put it on and only you will sense the smell. I think it's not very powerful, so it's very discreet. All good things comes in small portions, and this one doesn't scream. I've been wanting it for so long. Really, really nice. So yes, this was my first Chanel purchase ever. Yes. Thanks for watching my unboxing. Ciao.